Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the methods in the Ruby. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what is method? A method in Ruby is a reusable block of code designed to perform specific tasks like functions in other programming languages. It helps to avoid code repetition and improves readability. Okay, so how we can define the method? So this is the way you can define the method with the def keyword, okay, followed by the method name, right? So how you can define it? So this is your method name, right? And with the def keyword for the functions that we have to use, this is the method, and whatever logic you want to add, you can go over there, right? So here you can see that we are just printing hello world, and here you can see it's nothing prints because I haven't called the function, right? So how you can call the function? There is a method that is just you have to write greet. Okay, so you have to, because it's nothing print because I haven't called the function. So how to call this function? You like this, call this function greet, so it will print the hello world, correct? Next, method with parameters. Okay, sometimes parameters allowed passing values to a method. I want to pass some parameters. Okay, so this is how you can pass, because we want to send some values to that function and do some calculation. In that scenario, we require the parameters to that. Okay, so here I'm sending the parameter Alice. I want to print with the name dynamic. Okay, so this is how we can print, right? Next, default values. Sometimes we don't know the values. Okay, so we can set the values, default values. Okay, in that case, default parameters we have, so you can set like this. Okay, name guest, right? Correct. Next one, returning values. Sometimes from the function I want some values and to process some another function which require in the another function. So in that case we have to return something from the function that then you can use it somewhere else. Okay, so return keyword allows you to return a value from the method. Ruby implicitly returns the last valued expression if return is omitted. Okay, in that scenario. So here you can see that I have returned a plus b. Okay, so whatever the calculation will come, it will return that one. Okay, and if you want to if you want to call this function and do some another calculation, you can also do that one. Okay, so here you can see we are doing addition a plus b, that is the 5 plus 3 equal to 8 output would be there. Okay, so let's go and run. Okay, this is how we have returning the values. Next we have a variable scope, so whether the variable should be global or the local variable. Okay, variables defined inside the method are local and cannot be assigned outside. So suppose you are defining the variable to the function method, so you can't access outside the function, correct? If you are declaring globally, using the var can be accessed anywhere, but their use is discouraged for the clean code practices, because in that scenario we are not using it. Okay. Okay, so here you can see the example. Okay, so here we go with this one. Here we're defining the local variable and it will print the local variable. Okay, we're calling the my method. If I puts the local variable here outside the method, it will not print because the scope is only to the this method, not outside, not globally. Okay, so it will throw the error, right? I will show you. Okay, puts local, this will raise an error and a local variable is not accessible outside this method. Okay, method overloading. So last topic, Ruby does not support the method overloading, defining the methods with the same name but different parameter types, but you can achieve similar functionality using the optional arguments or splat arguments. Okay, so here you can see that greet names, this is optional, right? So here you can see the name puts hello and we are just calling that one. So here we are, you can see we are sending different values and it will print that one. Okay, so it doesn't support the method overloading. That means defining the methods with the same name but the different parameter types. But you can achieve similar with like using the optional arguments or the splat like star arguments. Okay. So this is how you can achieve that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.